Hi everyone and welcome back to RetailPOZ. So today I'm introducing to you guys a brand new system. So one of the brand new additions that we have to our line. And just to put you guys a little bit more in context, the reason why I'm doing this video and the reason why we actually put up this new system for you guys is because a lot of our buyers or a lot of people that go either on our website or on Amazon.com, they'll see our products and they do see that it's refurbished. So some of them have a refurbished PC. They're not all brand new. What do we mean by refurbished? So refurbished means that it's not brand new. It is tested fully by our technicians. We do test them. We do make sure that they're fully working 100%. And the prices as well are lower. So basically for startup businesses, for someone that is just starting up, someone that needs maybe who has a smaller budget, that doesn't have a budget for something bigger, that's perfect and that's suitable for you guys. However, we did hear your comments, and for those that wanted something that was brand new, something that had really that is more powerful, so it has more features and it's just perfect for your businesses. So depending really on your budget, obviously you want better quality, budget comes with that as well. So let me just dive in and show you exactly what we're going to be offering you guys. So as you know, our systems normally come with a cash drawer. We also have the barcode scanner. What's good about it, you can either have it work as a wireless or wired, so as you wish. We have the thermal printer, 58mm. Now, if you want to upgrade it as well to an 80mm, we also have that on our website. So I invite you to go and check it out on RetailPOZ.com. And our brand new addition, the all-in-one system. What do I mean by all-in-one system? It means that the PC, I'm going to turn it on for you, are both integrated in one single unit. So you won't have a PC lying down and a monitor. Everything is in one single system. Now what's fun about that? It is a touch monitor. So the screen is a 15-inch monitor and it's also loaded with Windows 10 and obviously our software. So depending on if you need it for a restaurant, a retail store, a salon, a hair salon, a nail salon, or any type of retail business that would. Alright, so this system has very amazing features. Let's talk about the features. So what are the features on this all-in-one system? Number one, it's the cable and the monitor. You need to connect them and you have all kinds of cables lying a little bit everywhere. Versus this system, and I'll show you right here. And you have a USB. If you need an extra monitor, you'll be able to connect it directly there. If you need internet as well. So everything is directly in the system. It's also touch. So as you can see, it's very fast. And just one click. Our software is amazing if you need it basically for any type of restaurant, deli business, hair salon, nail salons, vape stores. It's just amazing for that. It's perfect. So guys, we do have a special. We are on Amazon, as I mentioned before. We are on Amazon.com.ca. We're also on our website. So if you do go directly into our website and you enter your email address, you get automatically a $10 discount. And on top of that, if you subscribe to our channel today and you purchase, we'll just chip in as well an extra 5 thermal printer rolls for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and go check us out. Have a great day.